Hello and welcome back to Dornell's Destinations. In today's video we are taking you on a tour of one of the UAE's hidden gems, Dhayah Fort.
Perched high on a hilltop in the stunning emirate of Ras Al Khaimah, this historic fort offers breathtaking views, rich history and a glimpse into the region's past.
Our drive to Dhayah Fort took us on a scenic journey through the landscapes of Ras Al Khaimah. We navigated winding roads, passed through villages and enjoyed the amazing views of the mountains. The drive alone allowed us to experience the emirate's natural beauty.
Upon arrival, we were greeted by the impressive sight of the fort on the top of the hill. The admission was free, and there was also a friendly member of staff who greeted us warmly and provided further information on the fort.
The climb to the fort is a trail length of 225 metres. Remember to wear comfortable shoes as the walk up involves climbing 239 steps and some walking on uneven terrain. Surrounding the fort are the majestic Hajar Mountains.
There are several information boards placed around the site to help visitors to understand the history and cultural significance. So let's make the climb together.
Once we made it to the top, we were rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views that stretched across Ras Al Khaimah. The fort itself reveals a strategic design with well-preserved mud brick walls and two watchtowers. There is a central courtyard which provides space to imagine life in the fort.
The entire fort allowed us to appreciate the architecture and design and understand this is not just a historical site but a window into the UAE's rich cultural heritage and military history.
It was an extremely hot day when we visited, so we spent some time resting in the walls of the fort. This gave us the chance to admire the interiors and cooler environment within the towers, while looking out and enjoying the fantastic views. On our visit, we were the only people there, so we had the entire fort to ourselves and were able to appreciate, explore and take pictures of its glory in private. Overall, our visit to Dhayah Fort was just amazing. The picturesque drive to and from through the stunning mountains and then mesmerising panoramic views once at the fort will stay with us forever. The fort itself was stunning and allowed learning of its history. If you are looking for a unique, budget-friendly adventure, Dhayah Fort is a must if you are in Ras Al Khaimah. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the content. Join us in the next video where we'll be exploring more of Ras Al Khaimah. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.